Navigate to NFC Tools and open the app. At the top, you will see 4 tabs. For this video, we will focus only on the first 3: Read, Write, and Other. Please select Other. Here you will see a list of options. For now, we are going to use Erase Tag and Format Memory. Select Erase Tag. You will see the Erase Tag pop-up appear. Place your NFC bracelet on the back of your phone, positioning it carefully so the tag is detected by your NFC-enabled smartphone. Wait until the Erase Complete pop-up appears, then select OK. Next, select Format Memory. A message will pop up saying that formatting may take a few seconds. Please keep your NFC chip pressed against the back of your device until the process has finished. Select Continue. Once the process is complete, you will see the Format Completed pop-up. Select OK to move on to the next step. Because we want to be able to rewrite or change information on the NFC bracelet if needed, we will never use the Lock Tag option. This will also void your 6-month warranty, so please avoid using this option. Now go to the Write tab at the top and select Add a Record. Here you will see several different options, but for the purpose of this video, we will only be using phone number, SMS, and emergency. You will find these when you scroll down. First, select phone number. You will now see a box with grayed out numbers. This is where you will type an emergency contact number. It could be your wife's, husband's, father's, mother's, or anyone who can serve as your emergency contact. Once you have typed the number, select OK. Next, select SMS. You will see 2 boxes. In the first box, type the emergency contact's phone number. In the message field, you can type a personalized SMS to your emergency contact. Here is a generic message you can use. Safe Tap Medical Alert Bracelet has been tapped. Please call me on this number as soon as you get this message. Feel free to customize this message to suit your needs. Once you have finished typing the message, select OK. Now select the Emergency option. Here you will see several fields. For the purpose of this video, we will only be using language, full name, any allergies, medications, or special conditions, blood type, organ donor, and additional information. Please pause the video here and take note of the examples I have typed out for the different fields. This information is for first responders to help you in the best way possible, so any relevant medical information should be clearly typed in the Any Allergies, Medications, or Special Conditions section. Once everything is completed, select OK. Your screen should now look something like this, but with your personal information. If you would like to change the order of the information, tap and drag the up and down arrows to rearrange the list. The order in which you organize this list is exactly how the information will be displayed when the bracelet is tapped. To write the information to the bracelet, you will see a new option, Write 413 bytes. Select this option. A pop-up will appear. Once again, place the bracelet on the back of your phone in the appropriate position. When the writing process is complete, you will see a Write Complete pop-up. Select OK. Now, to test the bracelet, exit NFC Tools and return to your home screen. Tap the bracelet against the back of your NFC-enabled smartphone. The screen that pops up should look like this, but with your personal information.